Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Tuesday, led by shares in retailing, consumer durables and apparel, as well as semiconductors and semiconductor equipment sectors. On the economic docket, the NAHB Housing Market Index remaining unchanged month over month at 67 in September, while 67% of SP 500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, there were no after hours to really report, so we go straight to Asia. And those markets gaining ground today. The Nikkei up 1.08%, the Hang Seng up 1.19%, China's CSI 300 up 1.32%, South Korea's Kospi down 0.02%. European markets slightly higher, and U.S. futures calling for a mixed start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Red Hat second quarter EPS seen at 82 cents on sales of approximately $830 million. While on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the August housing starts figures expected at 12:40, and we also have the August building permits read. Now, turning over to the markets, the SP 500 intraday sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus as the relative strength index lacks downward momentum. The rising 50-period moving average acting as a support now, and long positions above 29.05 are favored, with targets at 29.1775 and 29.2175 in extension. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq sees a bullish bias above 7,491, while the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 26,225.